Hi, Susan. My name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and today I'm reaching out to give you a video that's going to show you 3 things you could do to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with local businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things that they could do to implement and impact their business positively today has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message and we can set up a meeting or a call. If at the end of this video you simply want to take this action plan I give you and do it all yourself, that totally works for me as well. So let me start off by showing you 3 things that set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So I took your URL here at golftile.com and I plugged it in to a tool called SEO Quake, and it shows me that you have 769 words on your page. I also typed in your #1 competitor, which is Standard Brick Pavers, for the search term Brick Pavers Tampa. And so here's their information. They only have 332. So you're actually beating them. But you're both falling a little short on the mark of Google optimization being 1,500 words on the main page. So if you just doubled what you have, you would already be outranking most of the competitors as it comes to content. And content's the easiest way to start boosting your ranking on Google. That's not the fastest, but it is the easiest. Which leads me to my second point in my second area, which is going to be talking about keywords and keyword density. So when you first type into Google anything you're searching for a service, the first thing you're going to see is ads, and people are paying Google to be on those ads. But studies actually show that ads are only semi-effective, and we all know that they can definitely become a huge money pit if they're not bringing in adequate revenue. So the next sites after those top 3 ads are organic listings, and how you get on those are the content we discuss and the keywords. So keywords are what are triggered by Google. If when I type in, let's say, brick pavers Tampa, Tampa Bay brick pavers, paving across, anything like that, their Google algorithms are going to search for sites that not only have those keywords, but also how they're used on their page. And what that is their way of trying to match the customer, the person searching, with what they're looking for. So having good keywords is going to be key to growing your business in the organic listing. Thirdly, I want to go over something called link juice and backlinks. So what this is the most important thing to growing your business on the organic listing and getting it ranked up. And it's basically other sites giving your site authority. It's basically a popularity contest. So as we can see here, Tampa Brick Pavers or Standard Brick Pavers, your #1 competitor, had 55 backlinks, coming anywhere from Yellow Pages, Link Center, Coupon Sale, BizVotes. And what these are these companies somewhere on their page having their website in there. And so when it comes to having these, you want to have the relevance and you want to have strong backlinks. So for example, these guys are brick pavers. So if they had one from Pizza Hut, it wouldn't get a lot of attention and it wouldn't help rank them up because they're brick pavers, they're not pizza delivery. Okay, so if we look at yours, you only have 1 backlink. So I would say you really want to build this up, and so that was what we would do if we worked with you, was boost your backlinks, boost your content, strengthen your keywords, and in no time you would be outranking all of your competition. So let's go over what we talked about today. First, we discussed the importance of having content and having 1,500 words on that key page and that home page, and then about 750 on every other subsequent page. Next, we talked about the importance of keywords and having those keywords. And just to show you how important, look at on the monthly search volume, pavers, and brick setting are all 22,000 or more. Okay, and so it's clear that you want to have those to get those clicks. Lastly, we talked about link juice and having these backlinks to help shoot to your website and give your site that popularity in Google's eyes to show that your domain and your website are important to be ranked up in the top. Now, if you implement the strategies we discussed today, you could be the #1 across Google in no time. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with the information I just provided you today, take it all in, and do it all on your own, and I'm totally okay with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time so that you can focus on the great paving and the brick pavers and tile that you guys do, go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.